But I'm not gonna lie, the way I started to film my hair throughout this process, I did start to question what my ethnicity was, because look at that hang, you guys. So Garnier Fructis sent over this PR package of their new hair filler, and I'm so excited to try this because I hear it's supposed to be like a OLAPLEX #3 dupe, this product in particular. They also sent over a shampoo, a conditioner, which I'm always excited to try a conditioner. I really like deep conditioners though. But they also sent over this serum, and I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of how this comes out. We'll save the rest for the end of the video. So that's what that looks like. And then this moisture repair gel cream. So let's just get right. Oh, before we get right into it, they also sent over this super cute little scalp massager, and I've been wanting one of those forever. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this out, or I was super excited because I already have, but let's just get right into the video. Okay, so step one is the hair filler, the bond filler, whatever you want to call it. And you start by rinsing, or you start by applying that to wet hair. And you're supposed to do it before the shampoo, which is really weird to me because technically you're applying it to dirty hair. So it took me a second to wrap my mind around that, I'm not gonna lie. But this is me rinsing out my hair. I just had my hair in braids, if you guys have been following along. So I was wondering if it would really even take the treatment well, seeing as though it was just hard for me to believe that the treatment can take it on dirty hair. But anyways, such is life. So I'm again just rinsing my hair, prepping it to be soaking wet for the treatment. And you guys just pay attention to how my texture changes throughout this whole process. I was wowed by it. And I think I'm gonna leave this in the speed that it was filmed. I might go a little bit faster, but I might just cut out some parts, so bear with me. I'll also have timestamps below if you guys want to skip through the video. Okay, so let's get into this inner fiber repair treatment. This is the OLAPLEX dupe number 3, I believe. OLAPLEX #3 dupe. So that's how it comes out of the bottle, and then we're just gonna apply it to my hair. It was nice and thick, you guys, so thick. And I applied a lot, okay? I'm gonna tell you now, I applied like 3 squeezes out of the bottle full because my hair is so thick. And I just wanted it to like have the best chance ever with this thing. I was like, if it's gonna work, I wanna see it work. So there we go with the third one. So how these work, these are like hair strengthening treatments, and they're not supposed to be used all the time. So I heard with OLAPLEX, a lot of people's hair started to fall out. If you already have healthy, defined curls, you probably don't wanna use this, you know, all of the time. You probably just wanna use it every like so often. This markets itself as being able to be used regularly, but just be careful because essentially it is like a protein treatment, and if you do too many of those, you're gonna overload your hair and it's gonna start to feel straw-like. But hair fillers are kind of new in the US. They've been more popular in the UK and I believe in Asian countries. They've just started making their way to the US, and essentially what they do is they restore like any damaged part of your hair to make it more acceptable or accepting of moisture. So it's just rebuilding broken pieces, broken fibers, broken whatever. I'll leave links. I'm not the person that researched it all completely to tell you guys, because I want you guys to do your own research as well before you go and add this to your hair. It's not like a perm or anything, but I'm not gonna lie, the way I started to film my hair throughout this process, I did start to question what my ethnicity was, because look at that hang, you guys. I have never seen my hair like this before. Granted, I don't always see camera in the shower with me, but this treatment really brought out my curl definition and some elongation, you guys, and I think that's just what a hair filler does. So I'm so happy I got to finally try a hair filler for free, but I definitely think it's worth buying. I already gave this product to my cousins for them to try, so I am gonna go ahead and buy my own. But look at this, you guys. Again, I said pay attention to the texture. Look at that. It is hanging, okay? Hanging. And I have another Garnier Fructis video from a long time ago. I think that's probably why they reached out to me. I'll try to insert some of it in here, but that's what my hair looks like with the treatment. Okay, so let's rinse this treatment out. Look at the texture, you guys. Look at the texture. It is beautiful. I couldn't see it, well, I could kind of see it, you know, I'm in the shower, whatever. But it was so pretty. I was just wowed. I looked pretty calm because, again, I don't think I saw what my hair was looking like, but looking back at it, I cannot believe this is my hair. Like that one little piece hanging right there, and how like it's just not up in the air, it's actually hanging down. My hair has never really hung down with this definition before, and I'm not acting like this just because this product was gifted to me for free, you guys. I will link some other hair videos so you guys can see the difference. It's crazy. Okay, so another thing I was really excited about was this shampoo. I use a lot of product, you guys. have a lot of hair. This shampoo, a little goes a long ways. I went off, and you guys are gonna see how much it suds. I almost said how steady it gets. It suds, okay? And I started to kind of furrow my brows, or however that saying is, because one, it was a lot of shampoo, and two, the feeling of it, I'm not gonna lie, kind of felt a little oily. So I was like, is my hair getting clean? So that's why I look kind of confused, because I'm like, okay, this feels amazing, but is my hair getting clean? And what I'm figuring out, it's probably the hyaluronic acid, or that filler, like little percentage down at the bottom, whatever that is. That's probably what I'm feeling, like that super moisture. But look at the definition for a shampoo. I'm not gonna lie, usually shampoo really does define my curls, but my goodness, you guys, I was geeked, okay, at this shampoo and how it just made my hair feel, and all that cleaning, and it just was so amazing, so amazing. And I'm just letting you guys see it so you guys see how much I scrub, okay? I was scrubbing my hair because, again, it was in braids, and I just wanted to make sure that I got everything out. So this is me starting to rinse out. I was literally shocked by how much shampoo was in my hair, and I'm just showing you guys one section, okay? Just one section of me shampooing right now. But look at the curl definition, you guys. I'm literally not used to seeing my hair like this, so I am just, look at that little smile, blown away, okay? Blown away. Literally gotta clean my ear out because y'all know how that goes. But yes, blown away. So still rinsing out all that shampoo because it was a lot. But look at that definition. If you guys are looking to bring out your natural curl definition, you want to try this, okay? You want to try it. Look at it. Look. Blown away. Okay, so I'm extra. I had to go with a little bit more shampoo because, like I said, my hair was in braids, and I just wanted to make sure I got it all out. And I don't know, I was just like, okay, let's see what happens when we do just a little bit, but it still suds up just the same way. And you guys, my curls are still defined. It's not drying up, it's not shrinking. It's literally, it's like magic. I literally was like, whoa, who am I? Who are these curls? This is so beautiful. I look calm, but looking back, I'm just so proud of how far my hair has come. I really am. And yeah, if you guys have gone through a hair journey and you've reached the other side, you will understand exactly how I feel. If you're still on your hair journey, keep going. It's 100% worth it. But yeah, I'm blown away. I'm blown away. So rinsing it out again, and look at the texture. Look at the texture, okay? Not every shampoo can do this for my hair. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch because I feel like I'm talking a lot, but wow, just wow, you guys, wow. Okay, so now I'm showing you guys what my hair looks like fully shampooed and with the shampoo rinsed out. And again, this is the name of the shampoo that I use. Of course, it's a part of the line. I'm impressed. Look at that hang time after shampoo. It's just crazy. It's wild. It's amazing. It's definitely worth trying. Okay, so if you guys are still here, check out how my hair looks at the back of my head. Gorgeous. It's just, I can't keep my hands on my hair. It is absolutely beautiful. I love my hair right after a shampoo. After conditioner, depending on the conditioner, it is so-so. But right now, I was just obsessed with my hair. But again, Okay, if you guys are still here, I love you, and I promise we are almost done. We do not have that much left to go. Now we're gonna go in with the conditioner. Okay, and this conditioner comes out super thick, just like I like it, and I'm gonna show you guys how I apply it. So I just go ahead and apply a lot. I don't think I applied as much as the hair filler, but I did apply quite a bit of conditioner, or maybe I did, I don't know. I just wanted to give this product the best standing chance, and I know I have a lot of hair, so a lot of strands need to be coated. So that is what it looks like with the conditioner in. And I guess I did go ahead and do 3 coats. I don't remember, you guys, this took quite a bit of time. I was also fighting with my camera back and forth, but as you can see, I'm just really applying a lot. And don't be scared. Another YouTuber, actually the Glam Twins, once I really started watching how much product they put into their hair, I was like, okay, I need to go harder because I'm not putting enough product in my hair. Next, I'm sure you guys are wondering about the slip with this conditioner, and look at this, you guys, it is just gliding through, and then it's starting to clump, and that's when again I started to question, am I actually just black? Because this is wild. I'm totally kidding, you guys. I am black and proud. I'm sure we're all mixed with something, so don't take that offensive, but yes, I was blown away. You guys see that hair falling on my shoulder? How defined it is. I'm literally blown away. And you guys are gonna see at the end of the video why I'm blown away. Do not think I just have this like my hair is perfectly textured for me, but do not think that my hair has always been like this or that it's going to stay like this. Okay, side note. So yes, I'm just showing you guys how I detangle it. It actually has like the perfect slip. You can just run a freaking brush through your hair like no problem. It's crazy. I wish I just felt like combing it all day or brushing it all day, because I probably could have got a little bit more curl definition, but your girl's arms were tired and I still had to blow dry after this, so we had to keep it pushing. But of course we had to stop and admire my hair, because what? So this is my hair with the conditioner. I know you guys can tell it's not as defined as with the shampoo, but that's okay. I was a little disappointed too, because I was like, how has conditioner got my hair less defined than shampoo? But that's a story for another day. So you guys can see my hair with the conditioner, and then in a second I'm going to show you guys with my hair with it all rinsed out. So this is me rinsing out the conditioner and my hair back in its natural, or naked state, I guess I can say. So just rinsing out the final bit of the product as best I can. You guys, look at my hair. It's like glistening. I can't believe it. I really can't. Like I'm so happy I filmed this whole video for you guys. I was gonna be lazy and not do it all, but for you guys, but I'm also happy I did it for myself, because just seeing how far my hair has come has just been so rewarding, and it was just the pick-me-up I needed in life right now, truth be told. So don't be scared to film your hair, you guys. Get in there, that camera in the shower with maybe a top on, and film your hair. See what progress you guys have. Don't just watch YouTubers all the time. Watch your own hair too. But okay, so this is my hair completely rinsed out with the shampoo. If I have time, I will show you guys the different phases of how my hair looked throughout the process, but this is my hair at the end, okay? Remember I told you guys my hair does not stay like that. It does go back to being whatever hair type you guys want to hair type me as. I'm not getting into that fight with y'all, but this is how my hair looks. The hang time though, the lack of shrinkage, and I do have a little heat damage that broke my heart, but I said I'm not gonna let it get to me because the rest of my hair looks amazing. So yes, this is what my hair looks like at the end of the treatment. Let me know what you guys think about this whole treatment, if you guys are going to be trying it or not. I absolutely love it. I do have some grays, and I was just seeing like what my hair was going to look like from root. I think with some more treatments I can get a little bit more curl definition throughout all of it, but I'm just so happy with how this came out, and I'm definitely buying some more and adding this to a staple routine. So thank you again, Garnier, for sending over this product, and let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.